the Fergana Valley in Uzbekistan. The east of this Central Asian country is famed for its fertility. Autumn is time for quince, pumpkin, pomegranates and persimmon. Baridin Yunusov is a farmer, craftsman and hobby cook.
Erkak ovqat qilgandan keyin go'shtlarni ko'proq solamiz biz. Mahsulotni joyiga qo'yamiz. Ayollar sal ozgina kesib qo'yishadi, olib qo'yishadi o'ziga.
Quince compote, the national dish plov served with quince, manti with pumpkin filling and kurut cheese balls are quintessentially Uzbek. A new addition to the Yunusov family, their newly born grandchild.
Bu marosimlarga bizda hamma ayollarimiz zavqlanishadi.
The quinces in the Yunusov's garden are ready for picking. Baridin planted a quince tree outside of his property for the neighbor's children. Good neighborliness is greatly valued.
O'tganlar uzib yo'radi. Qolganini o'zimiz varenik, kompot qilib uyda qishga g'amlaymiz buni.
Most varieties of quince are bitter and rich in tannins. Far from bitter, the apple-shaped ayva quince in Baridin's garden is so sweet it can be eaten raw. Many Uzbeks have 1 or 2 quince trees in their garden.
Bizi mana shu oktyabr vaqti keldi, pishgan vaqti hozir. Rosa pishgan vaqt. Uni hozir rosa suvli bo'lgan bular. Shu vaqtda uzib, olib qo'ysa, o yanvar, fevralgacha turadi bular. Hamma narsa qilib yesa bo'ladi. Shunday pishirib yesa yaxshi narsa bu. Mazzali, foydali. Mana tuklari ham o'zi ketadi. Sal nima qilsa mana toza bo'ladi. O'sha tukni tashagandan keyin o'zi pishgan bo'ladi-da mana.
Baridin tends to his own small garden next to the house that he built himself. It's autumn and the sweet persimmons are ripening. The fruit of the gods is an ancient Asian cultivated plant. Persimmons are stored over the winter and eaten raw like apples or pears.
4 xil, 5 xil bor, anjir, xurmo bor, shokolatin deydi, limonli, shunaqalar bor. Anjirlarga undaqa nima bo'ladi? Anjirga o'xshagan tumaloq, yapaloqroq bo'ladi. Bu shokoladni, ichi qop-qora bo'ladi.
Baridin's wife, Matlyuba, is preparing lunch. She's heated fresh milk, added yogurt and left the mixture in a cloth to drip for 2 days in the fresh air. The result is a type of cheese spread called sushma, which Matlyuba salts and then, assisted by granddaughter Bahora, forms into small balls known as kurut.
Orada tarkını magar kurtumun eme çaspat kızım. Tam ekunum? Kun şatti. Sekin grifte kurutu bakara kun. Tikara kam kara nam tikara orada dastonu da çaspandı. Mutlu. Tikara. Tikara kulula kunet. Kulula kunet. İndasta tonam orada kunet veişim. Hop. Kıdatçı.
The dried, sour, salty kurut cheese balls keep for several weeks without refrigeration and are an integral part of Central Asian cuisine.
Xohlasa achchiq qilmoqchi bo'lsak, jicha achchiq qalampirlar ham sepib, dorvorlarni sepamiz, qilib qurutlarni qilamiz. Keyin yumalatib shunaqa qurutlarni qilib qo'yib, quyoshga qo'ysak, ko'pincha quyoshda 2-3 kunda tayyor bo'ladi qurutlarimiz.
In Matlyuba's and Baridin's household, relatives and neighbors are always popping by. Today, cousin Manzura is here to help with the cooking. She's making kurutob, a kind of bread salad and a Tajik speciality. Matlyuba has dissolved some of her cheese balls in hot water. Manzura spoons the salty sour liquid over the divided bread. For Matlyuba, it's her first time making the dish.
Manzura meni chitini kirmay kuna kirmay benimda Manzura qani. Ya kirbaychi chitini shidiki mazza kirmay xurumsonni to'bay. Cho'tta bo'zinami?
Nima ishlatgan?
Buni qanday tayyorlashni menga aytib bering. Marhamat.
Mana bu saryog'ni qaynatilgan.
Buni nima qilamiz
Bu
Manzura?
qaynatilgan saryog'ni piyozni suvidan quyasiz.
Kimdan o'rgangansiz?
Men buni buvijonimdan o'rganganman. Buvijonim yoshligimdan o'rgatishgan buni. To'ba bu tojiklarning ovqati.
Ha, o'rgandim.
Rahmat.
Rahmat.
The Fergana Valley also extends into Tajikistan.
Qalay hamin?
From Matluba's kitchen table, it's just a few kilometers to the border. The women cut up cucumbers, tomatoes and coriander and season with a little salt.
Tayyorlash kerak. Tayyorlash kerakmi? Nasida kerakda?
Mansoura spreads the vegetables over the onion and bread. Onto this goes beef that has been seared and slowly braised in butter. The salad of bread, meat and cheese is ready. Tomorrow is a day of celebration. There's much to discuss. Traditionally, everyone eats together from one plate.
Bayramimizni o'tkazamiz. Nilfarxon oshqovoqlar chiqarib, somsalarni qilamiz. Manzuraxon, siz endi patirlarni qilib bayramimizni tashkil qilamiz. Qallamalarni jigan qilib pishirasiz.
Pishirmoqda, ha?
Uni noni ham o'zi bilanda. Hamma narsasi o'zi bilan. Non ketmaydi shu.
Non yeyilmas ekan.
Matluba and her husband have 4 adult children and 4 grandchildren, and just recently another grandson. By tradition, the new arrival is presented ceremoniously 40 days after birth.
Jonga o'zim telefon qilaman.
Baridin is running a few errands on his e-bike. The Fergana Valley is a densely populated and fertile region in Central Asia, with warm summers and cold winters. It stretches across the 3 former Soviet republics of Uzbekistan, Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan. The sometimes ambiguous and partly arbitrarily drawn borders have led to issues between nations and ethnic groups. The rivers also flow across borders and there are major disputes over water. These are exacerbated by the many water-intensive cotton fields planted during Soviet times. Small farmers are seeing their prospects dry up.
Men 15-yilda oldim bu bog'larni, 6 gektar. O'sha vaqtda suvlar yaxshi, transport bor edi, borib ekardim, shorli ekdim, meva, ko'chatlar, o'rik, shaftoli, yong'oq ekanman. 2 yil, 3 yil zo'r bo'ldi, yaxshi bo'ldi. Keyin qarasam bu yerda ko'chalar qurigan.
The flow of water to Baridin's land was repeatedly interrupted.
Bir oy, 2 oy shu qaramagandan keyin ko'chalar quriydi-da. Shundan keyin shunaqa bo'lib qurib, ko'chalar qolmadi.
And so he abandoned his fields and since then only cultivates his home vegetable garden.
Murabbo kompot qilamiz.
The quinces are boiled down to make syrup for the winter. Neighbor Dilafruz, cousin Mansoura and Matluba are a well-practiced team.
Urug'ni dori deyishadi-yu. Bu bihimiz hamma narsaga dori deyishyapti. Oldindan ota-bobolarimiz aytishardi, bihi hamma narsaga dori, yo'talga, grippga, shamollashga deyishadi. Davleniyaga ayniqsa.
The women rub off the protective fluff, which contains a lot of bitter substances. They then remove the core and quarter the fruit. Quinces were already cultivated in the Caucasus thousands of years ago. They're low in calories, rich in fiber, and contain lots of vitamin C.
Chunki po'stlog'ida ko'pincha dorilikni po'stlog'ida ko'pincha deyishadi. O'shaning uchun po'stlog'ini tozalamaymiz biz.
Suv quyganingizda ketmaydi-da, pis turshab turadi.
ozgincha suv qo'ysak yana yuvishimiz oson bo'ladi.
Orttiramiz suvni hozir.
Hayrat, bizda kelyapti. Bir xil joylarda to'xtabdi suv.
Kecha to'xtagan.
Bizda lekin kelyapti.
Many families have their own water connection, but problems with the supply are a part of everyday life. Today, at least, there is enough to thoroughly clean the quinces and the added apples, which removes the bitter substances. Matlyuba heats the kazan, the large cast iron cauldron, and fills it with water. For the quince syrup, she needs 2.5 kilos of sugar for every 5 liters of water. The fruit simmers for 20 minutes. The women then pour the syrup into large jars, which are sealed airtight. Over the winter months, it is drunk diluted with water. Uzbekistan is predominantly Muslim. Baridin and his family are also devout Muslims. Their faith emphasizes prayer, ideally 5 times a day, and for the men, communal Friday prayer at the mosque. Afterwards, there's shopping to be done. The few things that Baridin doesn't grow or make himself, he finds here.
Bu bozor biz yoshlikdan mana shu bozorda o'rganganmiz. Qarindoshlarim bor, guruch sotishadi, non yopib sotishadi. Ko'pchilik endi aka-ukalar, biz ko'pchilik o'shalarni o'rtoqlari, singillari, shunaqalar hammasi tanish. Bir mahalla, bir shahar bo'lgandan keyin hammasi tanish. Doim ko'rib, gaplashib, salomatligi tonamiz.
For a plov dish, Baridin needs meat and, above all, good quality rice.
Salomat.
Oddiy guruch bu. Xorazmniki. Suyuq, sho'la, masala shunaqalarga ishlatiladi. Bu Xorazm lazeri bu. Oshlarga ishlatiladi asosan.
Bu pastayni oladigan 45
o'sha.
erlik
Uyga, ular.
mana zo'ra. Mana shu zo'ra. 3 kilo mana shundan torting sekin cho'zib.
The family lives in the small town of Rishtan. From the city centre to Baridin's home takes just 10 battery-driven minutes. For the evening meal, Baridin is peeling yellow carrots, which are less sweet than orange carrots and very juicy. He's making plov, the Uzbek national dish. Every region has its own plov, and of course the plov of the Fergazana Valley is the very best. Preparation is a man's job.
Boshqa go'sht, qo'y go'shti solish maqsad, qo'y go'shtining mazasi boshqada, shirin bo'ladi. Yog'li bo'ladi. Guruchga yaxshi o'ziga oladi. Buni rahmatlik otam povur bo'lgan, brigadir bo'ldi. Brigadir bo'lib, shu mahallada to'y nimalarda osh qilib yurishgan. Katta osh 80 kilo, 90 kilo osh qilib yurishardi. Biz yosh edik unda. O'sha osh pishardi, shu bilan shunaqa qilib o'rganib, to'ylarga ham osh qilib berdim. 10 kilo, 12 kilo, 15 kilo osh qilardim.
Sliced carrots, onions, meat, rice, and the traditional wood-fired oven.
Endi qozonda mana o'choqda pishgan osh baribir boshqa bo'ladi. Gazda pishgan oshni yaxshi qaynamaydi, qovurish qiyin. O'shanga unchalik mazasi yaxshi bo'lmaydi. Mana o'tda bo'lgani yaxshi.
Baridin renders the lamb fat in the cast iron kazan. The outdoor stove with 1 or 2 wood-fired cauldrons is an integral part of Uzbek cooking.
Hozir yog'da tashladik. Yog' endi o'tni baland qilamiz. O'tni balandida yog' erib nimasi ajraladi.
Now, Baridin removes the fried pieces of lamb fat and fries the onions in it. Then the mutton and carrots are added. He seasons with salt and cumin and deglazes with water. His sweet and tart quinces go well with hearty meat dishes. Baridin lets them simmer a while.
Tez bo'ladigan bo'lsa, shoshilinch bir soat. Lekin ko'p qaynasa yana mazasi chiqadi-da. 1,5 soat shunaqada dimlasa bo'laveradi. 1,5 soat pishsa bo'ladi-da. O'shanda go'shti ham pishadi. Uni sabzi-fazlilar ham yaxshi pishib, suvi chiqib, mazasi chiqadi-da, hammasi.
Finally, he adds the rice, pours it over with water, and leaves it all to cook for 30 minutes. Some add raisins, pomegranate seeds, yogurt or chicken. Baridin's plof has only the essential ingredients and a strong taste of lamb.
Qani? Endi oshni yemaymiz. Qani? O, kivi qo'shiqdi.
Matluba's daughter has left her home for the first time since the birth of the new grandchild. Tomorrow are the celebrations in honor of the newborn. Early morning. The goats and cows need feeding and milking.
Sutni borib, har kuni separat qilib, qaymog'ini olib yeymiz, pishiramiz, sutini pishirib, kasha pishiramiz, guruchli sut pishirib, ba'zida ichamiz, ba'zida pishirib, keyin qattiq yutamiz. Ba'zi qo'shnilar so'rasa beramiz.
Autumn time is also pumpkin time. Matluba and her neighbor Dilafruz are making manti, dumplings with pumpkin filling. Dilafruz has thoroughly kneaded the dough, which is thinly rolled out. Matluba has to hack away at tough pumpkin skin. She then grates the flesh, which should be as juicy as possible.
Endi yoshligimdan o'rganganman-da, hozir haligi qilgan saringiz optiz oshaveradi-yu. Shunga men bemalol yoyib, yupqa qilib, xamirni qilaman.
Dilafruz cuts the dough into roughly 5 centimeter sections.
Mantini hech qanaqa siri yo'q. Oshqovoqni o'zi shirin. Biz ko'pincha go'shtlidan ko'ra oshqovoqli mantini yaxshi ko'ramiz. Chunki oshqovoq hamma narsaga dori deyishdi. Davleniyaga ayniqsa, buyraklarga.
The pumpkin flesh is mixed with grated onion and seasoned with salt and paprika powder.
Dilafruz bir tuzini ko'rasizmi? Ko'ringchi bir qanday chiqdi ekan. Yaxshimi? Zo'rmi? Solaveraymi?
Solavering.
The true mastery shows itself in the wrapping technique. The manti should be light and fluffy, but should not fall apart when steamed or eaten.
Quritob. Kimlardir mantini xamiriga yog' ham solishadi yumshoq bo'lishi uchun xamiri. Bir xilki vaqt men yog' solaman. Agar manti yumshoq bo'lsa xamiri, yosh katta qarilar bor-ku, misol tishi kam bo'ladi bir xillarda yosh kattalar. O'shalarga yumshoqroq bo'ladi-da. Men o'zimiz uchun yog' solmayman xamiriga. Faqat tuxum, tuz, un. Shu bilan xamir qolaman.
The women dip the dumplings in oil, which keeps them from sticking to the base. 80 manti can fit in the multi-level steam cooker, which is placed in the kazan for 30 minutes in simmering water. In the autumn, barely a week goes by without a wedding or other celebration among Matluba and Baridin's relatives and friends. Life in Uzbekistan is punctuated by these celebrations. Every festive banquet includes shurpa, a hearty soup. This time, the men prepare it for the women. Neighbor Hikmat, Dilafruz's husband, is here to lend a hand.
Bu sho'rvaga hammasi ketsa kerak. Sho'rva bir 20 kishi, 25 ta odam bo'lsa g'ar yetib qoladi.
Mehmonlaringiz bormi?
Ovqat qilganmisan? Dimlama.
Qilganman.
Qanaqa qilib qilding ovqatni? Buncha nima tashagansan?
Qilganman, endi sizchalik qilganman. Endi o'rgatasiz-da mana. Shef.
The men slice and dice potatoes, carrots, peppers, onions, meat and garlic.
Oilada 10 ta bo'lganda biz 4 ta qiz, 6 ta o'g'il. Ular ko'pda endi hozir bolalarni, kelinlarini bunday hisoblasangiz, bitta mahalla bo'lib ketadi. Ko'pay. Bitta to'y qilsangiz gar hammasi to'plansa o'zi o'sha qarindoshlar bilan to'y qilsak bo'ladi-da.
They've not left their home for 40 days. Now, for the first time since the birth, mother and child are presented to the women of both families and the neighborhood. Hikmat stokes the fire for the shurpa. This is also prepared in a kazan. Onion and pepper are seared in lamb fat, and then the remaining vegetables and meats are added. Baridin seasons with salt, fresh coriander and parsley.
Bo'laveradi, ertaga ham o'tiraveramiz, indinga ham o'tiramiz, har kuni o'tiramiz. Mana ko'pchilikda ovqatda boshqacha bo'ladi. Endi mahsulot bo'ladi. Erkak ovqat qilgandan keyin go'shtlarni ko'proq solamiz biz. Mahsulotni joyiga qo'yamiz. Ayollar sal ozgina kesib qo'yishadi, olib qo'yishadi o'ziga.
همون روی تلویزیون ساخت شد همینجوری دایم توی خونه مرادخانه شد.
The samsa puff pastries are ready and the banquet can begin. It's high time for the shurpa. A bowl for every guest as a sign of hospitality and of community.
Bu marosimlarga bizda hamma ayollarimiz zavqlanishadi. Men endi xursandligimdan bu ko'z yoshlarim, xursandlik ko'z yoshlari. Mana endi yana menga Allohim nevara beradi. Yangi yilda yangilik qilib uyimdagi nevara borlariga shukr. Endi bunga xafa bo'lmaysizlar, bu xursandlik ko'z yoshlari.
Shu.